So hello guys, I am Vivek Jha and today I have one product with me. This is actually a phone, Poco X3 Pro. So we will see what's inside this packet, because if you see Poco X3 Pro launch in month of March actually, and I am buying this product in month of June. So there is kind of conversation that why I am buying this after 3 months. So basically I have decided to buy this product for Santosh, my friend, in the end of month of May. So at that time there is a kind of rumors are going around that Realme 5G phone will also come. So I am waiting for that phone, and that phone actually launched on the 1st of June. And the main reason that I didn't go for that product, that is basically the processor, because in phone what happened that the phone companies actually gathered the crowd of so-called the 5G, the battery and the display, and people get attracted towards it. So but the main thing that the phone requires, that is processor. So I compared all the phone in the range of under 20,000, and I find this phone is the perfect phone under 20,000 in today's date. I don't know what will happen after I will post this video. So till today I can guarantee that this phone is the best phone under 20,000. You can go, or you can buy it phone. You can buy this phone. So I am going to unbox this with this knife. So let's see. And many of the people thinks that if we order from Flipkart or any other, so they will get some stones or soap in this box. So we will see that also, that what's actually in this box. Does Flipkart really do this with the customer or not? So let's open this. So this knife is really sharp, and I have to take care of all these things, that my hand, and so this is totally cut, and I don't know how to open this, but yeah. There is a lot of thing in this, so I don't know what will happen, but let's go for the best. And I think this is required cut from here as well, so let's cut it from here also. And now, so this is the box will open like this, and this is our product, and this is actually the bill. And actually I would say that there is a 3,000 that we paid, that is only GST. So you can assume that how much tax our people, the normal human being, also paying to the government, that is 3,000. And this phone cost only 16,000, but we paid 3,000 as a tax, as a GST. So that's kind of contribution towards our country from our side. So yeah, that's the thing. And this is the bill. So this is our phone Poco X3 Pro. Let's side this box, and this is our phone Poco X3 Pro, and let's cut this. So there is not any soap or any stone which people say, and there is a myth only, and in some of the case that happens also. So they will get the new product. So there is no kind of कि हम लोग डर जाते हैं उससे, तो ऐसे कोई बात नहीं है. So this is how it looks, and here we go. So let's wait for some other minute. Oh my god, we got a case also for cover for our phone, and I hope this will be a transparent cover. Yeah, this is the transparent cover, and looks quite good. And it's better that we don't have to go for buying this any kind of cover. And this is the pin which we can use for injecting the SIM into our phone. So this also is going to help us in future. And here we go, our phone. This is a brand new Poco X3 Pro. And this is the best part. I don't know how to open this, but this is the best part I like in the phone to this is the best part I like the phone to open this plastic wrap. Here we go. Oh my god, how shiny it is. This is the phone. You can see it is actually bigger than my phone. So, and here a tip of the speaker. So the logic behind making this phone is really good, that it provides a long screen for doing the thing. And many of the people will say that if the phone screen will long, so it will actually the hard for using it, and it can't fit in a one hand, but it's actually can fit in one hand, and there is a 4 or 5 cameras in it. So yeah, all the things is perfect, and it is actually a balanced phone, I would say. And if someone is looking for phone under 20,000, so they can go for it. And it's a charger, it's a huge charger actually. You can see the width of it and the thickness of this charger. And I assume it is 100 to 120 volt input it will take. So it's amazing. And there is a USB cable as well. I think it is USB micro, or yeah, it is a like a, it's not a micro, it is something like a type C cable given by the so-called Poco, and it's good actually. So here we will going to unlock this phone. Yes, and I will show you all the thing, like how it will look at the first place. MIUI logo, so you have an idea that. Just a second. And so actually I will going to do all these things, and it will take a certain amount of time also. So I will give you a small look of this phone, that after unboxing how it looks, so you can see from the here front side and from the back side also, that how it looks and how bigger it is. So if you kind of see the like the height of this, so you can see like my hand is actually the same as this phone height. So this is all about today's actually video. I am not making from the quite long time, but today I have decided to do, because it will help many of the people who wanted to buy a phone under 20,000. So that's why I thought of making the video, and it will definitely help many of the people, because it's a genuine a review kind of by me, because I have searched a lot of phone before making this video or before buying this phone. So that's the main reason. So I hope you like this video, so please do share, subscribe, and all those things. You can do it.